DJI Phantom 4 Pro out of production per DJI. Got that coming up. Before we get into the video, I have a disclaimer. The information in the article from Drone DJ was obtained through DJI's website and DJI Support's Twitter account. With that, let's begin. I'm going to go ahead and throw the first article up on the screen. Now, this was from back in November 13th of 2018, where Drone DJ informed us that the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 was out of stock. Now let's go ahead and we're going to fast forward to the recent article that he put up, and I'm going to put that slide on the screen right now too. The article reads, Phantom 4 Pro out of production according to DJI's website. I'm going to go ahead and read you some excerpts. Next screen. The Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 has been out of stock since early November 2018, and now the regular Phantom 4 Pro is officially out of production according to official DJI website. The question is why? Is it related to DJI's fraud case? Perhaps DJI severed relationships with some of its suppliers. And so now the regular DJI Phantom 4 Pro is officially out of production per the DJI website. When you go to the Phantom 4 Pro page, you will get this message. The Phantom 4 Pro is no longer in production. For the latest in DJI technology, please view our production recommendations below. And below the message, it shows an image of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which is a great alternative for many drone pilots unless you require the global shutter from the Phantom 4 Pro for mapping, for instance, or you prefer the superior video quality you get from the Phantom 4 Pro. We can guess as to why the Phantom 4 Pro is now officially out of production. Could it be related to DJI's fraud case? Possibly. It's not unthinkable that the drone maker had to sever relationships with one or more of its suppliers. But then we saw a tweet about the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 that was posted at 4:22 a.m. today. The tweet reads, Hi Josh, due to a shortage of parts from a supplier, DJI is unable to manufacture more Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 drones until further notice. We apologize for any inconvenience this might cause. Does this indicate the part shortage from the supplier might also impact the Phantom 4 Pro? I think this is very likely as the two drone models probably share a good number of parts. And we're going to go ahead and move on. I'm going to show you the actual tweet itself right here from DJI Support. And the last page, you may check from other platforms to see if they have it in stock. And that link actually lists sites like Amazon and others. Question of the day, what do you think of all this? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.